This is a Kwikset bed and bath lockable lock. Changing out a lock on a door. These are supposed to be real quick to install, and I'm going to show you how quick. The first step is they don't want you taking out these screws. Turn like that. Put your lock plate. You have to face this how you want it to shut. So twist that to how it would shut. And then put your screws in. Now to get this piece through here, you're going to push this in. And that pops through. So what you have is your screws are sticking out. Then what you do is you put this on, turn it clockwise to pop the screws through. Then once it's on, you're going to turn it counterclockwise and we're going to tighten those screws. So then you keep tightening these as you would turn that counterclockwise. And then the door is in. The one thing I don't like about these is these screws are hard to get. I had to get like a skinny screwdriver. That's a bummer. And there's a brand new door handle that locks.